Hello friends, welcome to technokasim YouTube channel. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I have three products. One is Baseus charger, two connectors. I am going to unboxing. Let's get started. Before that, if you are still not subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on bell icon and be connected. So friends, this is the product. Let's read before unboxing. If you want this product, you can buy from the link will be provided in the video's description. So this comes from Baseus brand and Fancy U plus type C PD charger UK and Premier Maker, quick charge 5 volt, 9 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt, USB plus type C PD charge fastly, and this is UK standard plug. This comes from this plug, comes in this plug, and 4 MacBook charge indicator light, the Baseus brand logo. So let's unbox. This is the quick start USB plus type C with LED light is the indicator. This is LED indicator and USB plus type C. This is the product. And next something else is the Baseus donut wireless charger. This is the product advertisement. This is the warranty card. It's plug type, power bank and charging parts, 6-month warranty. Data cable and also 1 month warranty. This is the power bank and charging parts, 6-month warranty is the customer delivery for repair. This is a warranty card. Okay, so let's unbox this cable also. So this is the connector. It comes from Baseus brand and cable car co-sharing 3-in-1 date cable. Baseus car design of extended data cable designed with magnetic absorber base ground. Okay, this I'm going to open. So this is the product. It's look crazy, and scan the QR code to follow us on WeChat. Thanks Baseus. It's a product advertisement. And this is the warranty card, cables and card mounts, product quality reasons within 3 months from the date of receipt. 3 months warranty is there. And this is the cable. We can connect to 3 connector. We can connect to 3 charger port, and this is I think something to this is the something stick. Yeah, this is to stick. Okay, and this is we can make up and down. This is the connector. So this is the Baseus, it comes from Baseus brand, and cable water drop shaped lamp, high power flash charger, 60W fast charger PD, support Q3.0 fast charger, water drop. This is a warranty card. It's also same cable and components, product quality reasons within 3 months from the date of receipt. This is the advertisement, and this is the cable. So let's check which is a bigger one. This is the bigger one. So guys, hope you are enjoying this video. Subscribe me, like me, and share with your friends. See you in next video. Okay, bye bye.